If you are struggling to save money every month, maybe you need an anti-budget. In a traditional budget, you start with your income, then you deduct your expenses, and then whatever is left over at the end of the month, that is for savings. I think that is the wrong prioritization. With the anti-budget, we flip that budget upside down. Let's say that you earn $8,000 in a month. Before you even touch that money, you're going to transfer $4,000 into a savings account, and the remaining $4,000 that is left for your expenses. With the anti-budget, you will learn to live below your means because the amount of money that you have available to spend is a lot less than your income. If you want to become financially independent, you have to pay yourself first. And on my journey to financial independence, the anti-budget has been a game changer. For more tips, please subscribe.